Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today, it's weekend. Yes, weekend. And today in the daily newspaper, in today's newspaper, the 21st, yes, November the 21st, 2020, we have here two regular Sudokus. A medium Sudoku and a quintuplet. The quintuplet, I won't make them anymore, but I will place the PDF file so you can download it and make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. But we have here only one regular Sudoku, and also in this newspaper there's an additional with extra Sudokus. And I believe there are 7 or 8 extra Sudokus. So a lot of Sudokus to solve, but first one I will solve this regular Sudoku, and this one will be 191. Let me check. 6. Yes, 1916. And I've already counted the printed digits. This one has 24. And if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, this one will be a 4-star Sudoku. Yes, 4 stars Sudoku. 24 4-star Sudoku. 27 a 1-star. 26 a 2-star Sudoku. 25 a 3-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Pick. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then interesting. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. Then like 6. How about the number 5? Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for a 5 should be there. And then 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8, should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the first column, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8, should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8, should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, alright. Alright, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5s in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5, should be there. 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 6. 4, 2, 6, 9, and 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 7, the 9, and the 6. We see here the 7 and the 9. So no 7 and the 9 in this box. So the 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. So 1 box left in the middle row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And then. How about those 2 missing numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. These 2 numbers are missing in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those for you. These 2 numbers in this big square, the 9 and the 7. We see here, no, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore, this should be the 4, and this should be a 9. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. The other 2 numbers in this big square, the 9 and the 2, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Look, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6 is missing. Yes, 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to mark them. This also 1 and a 9. But we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, the third row, 4 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in the middle column, the 9 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 2. Then 2 boxes left in the third row. Those 2 numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. This should be a 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, is this really a 4-star Sudoku? No, whether not. I think this should be a 2 or 3 stars. Yes, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now. See you later.